this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel Gardener. I'm going to do an update on the suckers that I planted because they are doing awesome. Now, if you look at my videos below when I was planting them, it was about a month or so ago. And if you look at the progress, the plants got really tall. That's way up over my head. And they have suckers that I need to separate. To give you an example, man, this thing is really grown. This is a, what is it? This is a Goldfinger. Wow, it is really growing fast. And it is getting really thick at the base. And just to show you how my other ones are doing, they're all doing really well. Look at that. I've got some suckers on them that I need to remove. Okay, now I'm working my way down to the end one over here. Because if you watch the video when I planted this, I planted it flush with the ground because it was only a corm with a little top on it. I planted it in the ground, and look at this thing. Wow, that one grew really nice in just a month or so, really nice. From just a little piece of corm. Fantastic. Okay, so every now and then I'm going to do an update so you could see the progress all the way up to when it fruits. But just to check out the ground, we had some rain. If you look, this is tilled, and you see how my feet go in. So this is wet ground. But when I planted these, you can see I mounded it up some, so it's the corm is actually above all this, but the roots go down in all that. So there is no lack of water, no lack of natural water, and that's part of the reason why these are doing good. The rest is natural horse manure, compost, and chips, and microbes and stuff like that growing. So hey, this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel Gardener. If you enjoyed my update on the banana suckers that I planted and how nicely they're doing, give me a like. Subscribe to my channel and you'll get to see all of these when they get larger, all the way up to fruit, and everything else that I do around the property. Most importantly, check out my banana group. The link is in the video description. Just click on it. It'll take you to my banana group. Sign up. It's free. It's a fun place. You could interact, post photos, and we're there to help you if you have any questions on separation, planting, fertilizer, or anything to do with banana plants. Hope to see you soon.